Hi everyone, this is HM&S video number 31 and you are most welcome for it. We are making this video to answer some interview questions. A friend of mine went for an interview and she was presented with a blank Word document, and the question was, highlight for us 10 paragraphs, each having 3 sentences in less than 30 seconds. So she was wondering, how am I going to type 10 paragraphs in less than 30 seconds? So we are going to answer that exact question in this very video. And also, if you're a teacher or maybe a trainer of Microsoft Word, then this might be a good video for you. Let's switch on to it and we get to the point of this video. Now, this is a blank Word document, just like the other friend of mine was presented. We're going to see how we can generate text in Microsoft Word, because we have to generate that text that we are going to highlight afterwards. So there are actually 3 ways you can generate text in Microsoft Word. The first one is using the Lorem function in Word. So you simply need to do equals to, then you type Lorem. It's also an HM&S function, so you open your bracket and you close your bracket, and when you hit enter, you can see it generates for you some random text in Microsoft Word. But also, if you want to specify the number of paragraphs and the number of sentences you want, it's even easy. You simply need to do equals to Lorem, open bracket. Now, instead of leaving your parentheses blank like before, you need to put the number of paragraphs and then the number of sentences in that order. So we want 10 paragraphs, each having 3 sentences. So I'm going to close my bracket, and when I hit enter, now you can see it has generated for us 10 paragraphs starting from here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is ending there. And then 10. And if you check each and every paragraphs, you will find out that each is having 3 sentences. Like, for example, this one is having the first sentence which ended here. Every sentence ends with a full stop. So the first one is ending here. The second one is also ending here. And then this is now the third one. So that's actually the first way you can do it. I'm going to click here, then enter to create some space. Now, the second way you can generate text in Microsoft Word is actually using the run function. The disadvantage of the Lorem function is that it doesn't generate for us the text in English. So if you want to generate in English, you need to use the run function. Do equals to run, open bracket, close bracket, and when you hit enter, you can see it also generates for us some random text, as you can see, but this time around it's in English. Also, if you want to specify the number of paragraphs and the number of sentences you want, you do the same way. Let me first create some space, enter, equals to run, open parenthesis, 10 paragraphs, comma, 3 sentences. When you close your bracket and when you hit enter, you can see the same way it has also generated for us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are 10 paragraphs generated in less than 2 seconds. Now, the last method that you can use is what is called the Rand.old. I'm going to enter to create some space. The same way, equals to run, but this time around you use .old. Open bracket, close bracket, and when you hit enter, you can see it's actually generating for us the same sentence many times. If that's what you want, you can do that. You can as well specify the number of paragraphs and the number of sentences you want, like before. Equals to Rand.old. Open parenthesis, 10 paragraphs, 3 sentences. When you close your bracket and when you hit enter, you can see that it's actually generating the same sentence again and again and again and again. If that's what you want, then you can simply use that method. So that's actually how you can generate random text in Microsoft Word. After generating it, you simply need to go and highlight it up to the end of the sentence, just like this. And you will at least have something to say in your interview. You don't even have to use all those methods. You simply need to use one, generate the number of paragraphs you want and the number of sentences you want, highlight it. Now, maybe lastly, you need to save your work. You need to come to File, Save As, or use the keyboard shortcut F12 to go to Save As. Then you give it a good name, generating random text, and I'm going to save it on the desktop and simply click Save. Let me first scroll down here. Now, assuming you don't want anyone to generate any random text in your document, then there's actually a way you can turn off the ability for those functions to generate random text. You simply need to go to File, then you come to Options. It will open for you the word options. I'm going to hit Escape. The keyboard shortcut to go to words option is Alt-F-T, and it will open for you the word options. So you need to come to Proofing, then you come to Autocorrect Options, and you need to uncheck Replace Text as you type. Uncheck it, and when you click OK, and then again click OK. Now let's try it again. Let's try the run equals to run, open bracket, close bracket, and when you hit enter, you can see nothing happens. So now that function is working just like a text you have typed in a Word document, not like a function. And it applies also to others. Equals to Lorem, open bracket, close bracket, enter. The same way. Let's get it back. Alt-F-T to open words options. Come to Proofing, Autocorrect Options. Then I'm going to check Replace Text as you type. Click OK. Again, you click OK. Now let's try again. Equals to run, open bracket, close bracket, enter. It works. So that is it about generating random text in Microsoft Word. Now, if you are a teacher or someone who do trainings, you can as well use that to generate some random text to give some demonstration instead of typing everything or hitting the keys on the keyboard randomly to get something that you can use for demonstration. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and if you found this video interesting, give it a like and then you share it with your friends. Until next video, HM&S video number 32, and then we meet again. Thank you.